Hey, it's Kaylee. This lesson is on words that sound the same or are spelled the same. These are called homophones and homographs. Let's get started. Sometimes two words sound the exact same but have different meanings. These are called homophones. Can you think of two words that sound the same but have different meanings? Homophones can be spelled the same, like I can do it, or like a can of tomato soup. But homophones can also be spelled differently as long as they sound the same, like I am right-handed, or I like to write poetry. Sometimes two words are spelled the exact same, but have different meanings. These are called homographs. Can you think of two words with the same spelling, but different meanings? Homographs can sound the same, like a diamond ring and a phone ring. But sometimes homographs can sound different, like I live in California, or there is live music tonight. When two words either sound the same or are spelled the same, or are both, they are called a homonym. That means a homonym is a homophone or a homograph. Can you think of some words that are spelled the same, sound the same, but have different meanings? Here are some examples that are homophones and homographs. So that means they're definitely homonyms. We could say, I rose from bed, or there is a rose garden. I could say, I am left-handed, and we could say, he left the party. Since these are spelled the same and sound the same, they are definitely homonyms. Try using homonyms in your own writing and speaking and see how it works. Have fun and remember to always be clever. Hey, hey.